Skillet Champignon. Mushrooms with chili and cherry tomatoes. Start by heating the extra virgin olive oil in a non-stick skillet over medium heat. Add the sliced champignon mushrooms to the skillet. Cook the mushrooms for 5-7 minutes or until they turn golden brown and begin to release their juices. Add the halved cherry tomatoes. Continue to cook for another 3-4 minutes, stirring occasionally until the tomatoes become soft and release their juice. Season with salt, freshly ground black pepper, and dried oregano. Adjust the amount of salt and pepper to your personal taste. Stir well to evenly distribute the flavors. Continue to cook for an additional 2-3 minutes to allow the ingredients to blend perfectly and the flavors to meld. Once ready, transfer the champignon mushrooms to a serving dish or plate. Garnish with freshly chopped parsley if desired, for a touch of freshness and color. Serve your hot skillet champignon mushrooms with chili and cherry tomatoes as an appetizer or side dish, or atop a slice of toasted bread as a delightful snack. These skillet champignon mushrooms with chili and cherry tomatoes are a savory and spicy treat that will delight your palate. Enjoy! If you enjoyed this recipe, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more delicious culinary creations and helpful cooking tips.